Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to properly assemble your clarinet. Start off with your case on the floor in front of you. That way your clarinet won't tumble out of your lap. The next thing that we're going to do is take your reed and put it in your mouth. You'll keep it there the whole time while you're assembling it. I'm not going to because nobody wants to hear me speak reed language the whole time. The next thing you are going to do is make sure that your corks are greased. Especially if your instrument is brand new, you'll need to grease them often. So go ahead and grease all of your corks. The next thing you're going to do is take your bottom joint, that's the joint that has the thumb rest, and then you'll take the top joint and push down the key that lifts up the bridge key. And you'll just gently twist these together, taking care to line up your bridge keys. The next thing you'll do is take your bell and just gently twist back and forth to put it on the bottom of your clarinet. Next, you'll take the barrel, gently twist it to go to the top, and next, you'll take your mouthpiece and gently twist it on. Notice that the flat part of your mouthpiece should line up with the teardrop register key on the back of your clarinet. Finally, what we're going to do is take your ligature and lift it up just a little bit. Now, many beginner instruments come with ligatures that are different than this. And it doesn't matter as long as you have the screws on the right-hand side. So if you have an inverted ligature like mine, screws are on the right. If you have a ligature with screws facing you, screws are still on the right. So what you're going to do is take your thumb, lift your ligature up just a bit, and drop the thick part of your reed down. Line it up, and you only need to tighten the screws just enough to hold your reed in place. They don't need to be tight, but they just need to be firm enough to keep your reed in place. And that is how you assemble your clarinet.